Hi dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you will enjoy this lecture, and today's lecture is a continuation of balance of power, and today's topic is types of balance of power. There are three main types of balance of power. Number one, unipolar or hegemonic balance of power. The unipolar balance of power shows that in the global system there is one dominant or powerful state or power which holds significant military, economic and cultural sway and influence in the world. Dominant state or power frames rules and norms in accordance with its national interest, which weaker states may follow, but unable to resist or counterbalance the influence effectively exerted by dominant or powerful state. Peace and political stability in the world usually depended on the dominant power's policies. United States post-Cold War policies means Raj 1991 to 2001 policies clearly vindicated its supremacy over others. U.S. pursued influence in global affairs, global economy and global security. No other power could resist U.S. policies in the world. Unipolar or hegemonic balance of power revealed that one power, that is United States, with its allies temporarily dominated the international system, while others were too weak to counter U.S. hegemony. During 1991 to 2015, the United States, along with its strategic partners, dominated and trampled the world in the name of war against terrorism with the help of Muslim countries against Muslims of Afghanistan, Iraq and Palestine. It was challenged or countered by the combination of Russia and China in the global politics. Number two, bipolar balance of power. Bipolar balance of power means two major powers or states dominate and restrain each other or deter each other in international politics. United States acted forcefully against Communist Union of Soviet Socialist Republic or USSR during the era of inclement Cold War. Both powers, along with their allies, means NATO, pact, vehemently struggled against each other, and Russia was headed by Warsaw Pact in various countries of Asia, Europe, Africa and South America through alliances and proxy or indirect conflicts. Both did not harm or destroyed or fought with each other, but executed their enmity in the fields of their allies or other countries. United States mercilessly killed millions of people in the name of containing spread of communist ideology in Southeast Asia, Middle East, and South America. United States and USSR during Cold War era, that is 1945 to 1991, were leading rival blocs. During the Cold War, mutual deterrence and competition shaped international relations. Peace and tranquility in the world largely depended on maintenance of their mutual interest or acquiring of their mutual interest. It was also called simple balance of power, which exists between two groups of nations of equal power. The NATO and Warsaw Pact during the Cold War is an example of simple balance of power. Such a type or pattern is called bipolarization. The balance of power between India and Pakistan, Iran and Saudi Arabia, Armenia and Azerbaijan, and within African states is also local and simple. Persistent United States and China rivalry at present in the Pacific and Indian Ocean regions is shaping regional dynamics in bipolar system with disastrous consequences or repercussions for the world peace. Bipolar system can lead to proxy conflicts. Number 3, multipolar balance of power. Several states of Europe maintained significant influence before the World War I or both world wars in the world. They maintained balance of power through secret alliances, rivalries, and diplomatic interactions. During the 1871 to 1914, means prior to First World War period, in Europe, various great powers like Britain, France, Germany, Austria-Hungary, and Russia maintained the balance of power. Multipolar system requires cooperation and diplomacy. Multipolar system often foster international institutions and cooperations like the formation of United Nations. Multipolar system can lead to complex rivalries among various states. These systems are ideal types and real-world scenario often blend elements from multiple categories. Multiple or complex balance of power exists between many states or group of states or nations, balancing one another. It means a group of powers cooperating with each other to prevent other states' dominance and influence. Currently, following the end of Cold War, multipolar balance of power emerged. New powerful countries like China and other states acquired the status of powerful states through acquiring economic and technological advancement. United States with its allies China, Russia and European Union has made multipolar world. The creation of potent regional blocs such as OIC, Non-Aligned Movement, SCO, SAARC, ECO, European Union and ASEAN has contributed to the maintaining of multipolar world. The major issues between the United States and Russia has settled due to the policy of ex-president of USSR, Mikhail Gorbachev. Balance of power operated through arms race, strategic alliances, economic measures, proxy wars, enhancing sphere of influence, and diplomatic engagement in United Nations. Present balance of power has shifted from military to economic control, technological innovations and advancement, and information warfare against each other. The European Union, in order to sustain multipolar balance of power, are coordinating their policies with other states of the world. Complex balance of power involves regional powers like Iran, Saudi Arabia, Turkey, India, and external actors in the world. This type of balance of power could not defend the sovereignty of smaller countries like Iran, Syria, Lebanon, Qatar, and other countries of Middle East by the blatant war waged by Israel with the help of United States. The other powerful countries did nothing to save these countries except issuing a statement of restraint. Now, there is fourth one is prevalent in present world. Non-polar balance of power is visible in the global system by the actions of non-state actors like United Nations and its agencies, public opinion, global public opinion, and terrorist organizations in the world, clandestinely or secretly supported by other world countries. Wish you good luck. Take care of yourself and others.